Hello guys, welcome to codingTpoint, and today we are going to learn about nested if else. So first of all, nested if nested nested if or else if just if statement inside another if statement. As you can see, this is our outer. Wait, I will show. This is our outer if statement, and it finishes here. This is the end of outer if statement, and this part is the inner if statement. As you can see, this if statement is inside another if statement, so this one is called nested if statement. I will just write it here. Inner if statement. So today we are going to help out a company to help a company out. A company wants to hire some people, but the person must be a man first of all, and his age must be between 18 and 45 years old. So we are going to help this company out. So first of all, let us get started. Open your notepad. As we'll be getting input from the user, we need to import first of all scanner. Then let us create a class and we give some name. Let's call it eligible. And inside public static void main, void main, as you already know. Inside string as in capital. So as I told you, we'll get the input from the user. We need to declare a variable that we have scanner as data type. Let's say s is equal to new scanner. So remember, s should be in capital, otherwise it won't work. System.in, this is for getting the input from the user. So we need some variables. As you see, the company wants to hire some people, but the person must first of all be a man, and his age must be between 18 or 45. So we need first of all to know the name of the person, right? So let's say string name, also the gender, because the person should be a man, and at the end we need the age. So let us first of all get these three values from the user. System.out.println, we will simply say int your name. Name. Then let us save the value that we're gonna get from the user. Name is equal to s.next. Then secondly, we need the gender, right? So just copy this here. We need the gender, enter your gender. Gender is equal to s dot next. Then the last one will be the age. So enter your age. That will be age is equal to s dot next, sorry, int. Why? Because we're dealing with integer. For string it's only next. For integer you have to add int. For double you have to add double. For float you have to add float, but remember the first letter should be in capital. So after getting all this, let us check first of all if the person is a male or a female. So if gender dot equals to male, as you know Java is a case sensitive letter, so we should provide all the options. Just copy this, you paste. The second one will be male like this, and the last one will be male all in lowercase. If the gender is equal to male, or we can ask for the age here. Just copy this, copy, and then remove it there. Okay. So if the person is a male, what should happen? If the person is a male, now let us ask for the age. Now we ask for the age if the person is a male. Okay, this is, you remember, this is our outer, this is the outer if statement. So we're gonna get back to it. Else, if the person is not a male, if the person is not a male, we just want one message to be displayed, like system dot print. What will be the message? Any message like sorry, 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 you are not eligible for this job, as we need only men. Okay, now let's come back to this. So if the person is a male, we ask for the age. Now we should check if age is equal no, if age is less or equal to 18, what should happen? First of all, if the age is less than 18, the person is not eligible. So system out print ln, let us print first the name of the person, saying like sorry, we give some space and we concatenate with the name. Then the message, and the message will come here, or we can put it at the same line. We just concatenate it with another message here. We write sorry, you are not eligible for this job. We give some reasons, as your age is below 18. Or we can just put less or equal, less and remove equal. If the person is 18, the person can work, right? 18. So we close it. So else if age is greater or equal to 18 and age is less or equal to 45, what should be the message? Like system, you can just copy this. We will change some parameters inside, copy, and we paste it here. This time it will be like great because the person is eligible. We just print great. You are eligible for this job. Now go on, fill up the detail form. Else no need to put the condition because that will be like if the person is more than 45. If the person is more than 45, we just want one message to be displayed here. Copy this, copy, and you can paste it here. Sorry, you are not eligible for this song as for this job as your age is above 45. Okay, so this is the end of our inner if statement. So we can also give some name here, like concatenate with the name. Yeah, so this is a program. Just let us save it with some name eligible .java and open your command prompt. First of all, I'm going to redirect my command prompt to my Java folder that I've created where I save all my Java programs. So I'm going to compile my program java eligible.java. As you see, there is no error now. Now I'm going to run my program java eligible. Enter your name. Suppose my name is Kumar. Enter your gender, male. Your age, 34. Great, Kumar. You are eligible for this job. Fill the detail form. Or we can also remove this space because it's too much. Yeah. Into your name, Priyanka. Your gender, female. Sorry, Priyanka, you are not eligible for this job as we need only men. So thank you very much for watching this video. Just stay connected. There will be more videos and we're gonna explain more concepts. See you.